After recent release of ChatGPT-4o, there are multiple different opportunities opened up. Currently, ChatGPT-4o can do some additional things which were not possible using GPT-4 earlier. So in this video, let me show you how can you generate a PDF file directly from ChatGPT console. So if you follow my mouse, currently I am in ChatGPT console. Here I have selected ChatGPT-4o as the LLM model. If you have not used ChatGPT earlier, then I have a separate video on how to set up your ID and how you can start using ChatGPT. Please check the link in description below. Now, coming back here, I already copied one of the prompt. Let me paste it here. So it's a detailed prompt. What I'm asking that please help me writing a detailed blog post on evolution and progress of generative AI and how generative AI can be used in real life. I have also specifically mentioned certain things which is very important whenever we are creating this kind of a content. Please also include pros and cons of generative AI for humankind. Please use required heading, subheadings, numbers and bullet points to format this blog post properly, because this is very important. Whenever you will be generating a PDF file, then you need to have those formattings already in place, right? So let me show you what it generates. If I hit enter, it will start generating the content. Currently you can see it now started with a very big heading and then it's generating the content in right format. You can see it's already creating subheading and they're using numbers and bullet points to format this entire document. ChatGPT-4o is lightning fast and compared to GPT-4 is much more faster. You can see it already generated all these contents within a very quick time, right? Now we have this entire content ready. Now let me use another prompt so that we can convert this content to a PDF file. It's a simple one. What I'll ask, please convert this output to a well formatted PDF file. And if I hit enter, then it will start creating. Currently you can see it's analyzing and then it will take some time and then it will give you a link with the PDF file. So once we'll be clicking on that particular link, we'll be able to download the file and there we'll be able to see how it's generated. So it's still creating. Normally it takes a bit of a time before it creates. Earlier I created one 20-pager PDF. It took more than 1 minute to generate that. Now you can see it created that PDF file and it gave the link. If I click on it, so it will download the file, and once it is downloaded, let me open it. You can see this is the PDF file it generated. So if I now scroll a bit, you can see it kept all this formatting and it generated the PDF file directly from ChatGPT console. So this is one of the use cases you will be able to use within ChatGPT-4o to directly generate a PDF file. So what I've done, I have used the paid plan to generate this PDF file. Let me switch back to a free plan and see that if it can create this kind of a file there or not. Let me show you that. If I go back to ChatGPT and click on my profile picture and then log out, and I'll click on continue with Google, and then I'll select a different ID where I don't have any paid plan. So it's a free plan and there let's see if it can generate this kind of content or not. So what I'll do, I'll use the same prompt to generate the content. So now ChatGPT-4 will generate this particular content. Currently, if you see here, it's not mentioned that which version of GPT-4 is using. Is it GPT-4 or 4o? If you ask that which model it's using, it normally tells that it is using that GPT-4 architecture, but doesn't specifically mention that which one it's using. However, you can see free version also we are able to generate good amount of content and it is also generating using certain formatting. While the formatting of 4o was little bit better than this thing, however, it's still generating and this is still usable. Currently, this is generated. Now, if I use the same prompt which I just used in the paid version, please convert this output to a well formatted PDF file and let me hit enter. You can see, so it's asking copy the text, open a word processor, paste the text, format the document and export as PDF. So it's not directly giving you the file output. It's asking you to work further and create that particular PDF file. So now there are a couple of ways you can export this data as a PDF file. Let me show you very quickly. First one is if you go to office.com, there you will be able to use Microsoft Word for free. If you don't have any subscription, still you will be able to use it. You only just need one of the Microsoft ID. If you don't have one, you can create one. If I click on this Microsoft Word and then I go to blank document, and if I come back to ChatGPT console here and I copy this text from this particular icon. I'll click on copy and then I'll come back to this Word file and here I can paste it. Once the text will be pasted, your data is there. Now from the designer, if you choose any of the formatting, maybe the first one is a simple one, it will change the formatting of your file. You can also format down the line as per your wish, and then you go to file, save as, and there you can download it as PDF. So this is one option. Second option is you can go to Google homepage and there you will be able to open Google Docs. You will be in this particular page. There you can click on blank document. You will be able to paste the data. So all the data, whatever you've generated there, it will be pasted here. Now once you paste the data in Google Docs, and then you can format it further, and then you can again go to file and you can download as PDF from here. So this is the way you will be able to generate PDF file from ChatGPT. If you are using a paid plan, you will be able to do it directly. However, there is an alternate way also if you want to generate PDF file using a free version also. Hopefully this video was helpful. I recorded another video from a PDF file. How can you generate a PPT using ChatGPT? Please check this particular video to know more about it.